My name is Jon Williams. I work in the QC department here at HOLLOWAY America, and I am part of the crew that goes through and checks all the quality of the tanks and different parts and stuff that come through before they go out the door. We're kind of the last check before everything leaves. I've been at Holloway for a little over 13 years. I started in April 19th of 2010. It's the best company out there. My family consists of my wife, Andrea. I have a 6-year-old son, Zane, and a 1-year-old daughter, Lila. What we like to do outside of work, we like to go to the lake and go tubing and then fish, camp, just together. When I hired in at Holloway, I hired in as a helper. I hired in sweeping the floors and making lee wheels and helping in EP and shipping and everything. So that's where I started. And then 4 months later, I started welding full-time, just welding on frames and easy stuff. Did that for 12 years, and then I just started in QA. One of the biggest obstacles I had faced was I lost my dad when I was 20 years old. It's just hard losing somebody that early in your life that's such a big influence and impact on your life, and not having that person to guide you and what to do next. That was the nice thing. You could ask him anything, and even if he didn't have the answer, he would try to help you through it the best he could. He didn't say a whole lot, but when he did, you listened. You know, everybody loved my dad. He would instill like that you needed to try to be the best you can be as far as just a human being in general, and try to show that godliness to everybody and that we all have a purpose here. What I appreciate the most about the work culture here is it's like a big family. I mean, I don't think I have anybody here that I don't get along with, honestly. Of course, there's some people you get along better than others, but that's pretty much anywhere you work. As a whole, I mean, we all get along very well, and it's just nice to know that they're there, you know, if you need them, that you can ask questions or talk to somebody, and they are normally pretty responsive and they give you the best they have. And it's nice to have that. Some places you don't even want to talk to anybody because you're dreading being there or you don't like them. As far as the owners, we have one of the best owners of any company as far as my experience, you know. It does, it feels like a big family. You have spats sometimes with people, but I mean, every family does that. From the guys I work with that I've heard that have worked at different shops, said that there's no comparison between Holloway and other companies. The quality of work that goes through and the type of product we send out the door, it's pretty amazing stuff.